All right there, boys and girls, here we are, day number 15 of our February daily math. Number 1, split the rectangle into fourths. So into 4 equal pieces. There we go. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 equal pieces. Number 2 says show another way to split the rectangle into fourths. So let's go this way. And we'll split it in half that way and split it in half this way. There. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Number 3. Monkey Shines went out for recess with Sophie and Grace. Sophie ran and played for 23 minutes. Grace played for 14 minutes. How much longer did Sophie play than Grace? So we're not combining them. So we're not going to add 23 and 14. We are going to find the difference between the two. Okay? So we're going to take 23, we're comparing them, and take away 14. So 13 minus 4, 6 and 3 is 9, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So 9, and it says how much longer? Minutes. So 9 minutes. Okay? And the equation would be either 23 minus 14 equals 9. You could even put 14 plus 9 equals 23. You could draw the bar model. Remember doing those? We could do that. It kind of just goes with however you would like to do that. Number 4, write less than, greater than, or equal to 1 quarter 3 dimes and a nickel compared to 2 quarters and 9 pennies. So 1 quarter is 25 cents. And then we can count by tens 3 times. So 25, we'd have 35, 45, 55. And then a nickel, we're going to count by 5s from 55, which would be 60. Okay, again, quarter and then 25, or 25 would be 35, 45, 55, and then nickel is 60. Okay, so we have 60, kind of looks more like go. There we go, 60. 2 quarters and 9 pennies. Well, 2 quarters is 50 cents, and 9 pennies would be 59 cents. Okay, so this is greater than 2 quarters and 9 pennies by 1 penny. All right, draw a model to show your thinking. First, let's go ahead and add. 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay, and then 1 plus 3 plus 2 is 6. Now, if we wanted to make a model, we could go 10, 20, 30 plus 20 equals 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then we could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 1, 2, 3 equals, we have too many, so we have a 10 and a dot. We combine those two, we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a dot. That should make it 61. All right, boys and girls, great job working on that today. Let's see how it goes for tomorrow here, day 16 of our daily math. See you then.